Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a Barbie advent calendar unboxing, so I don't know what to expect, but it's the 1st of December today and it's I'm going to show you what's behind the first door. So, crikey, this is a hard box. They don't want you to get into this one. Here we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, here we go. Oh wow. Here we go. Oh wow. So here it is. Got the whole Barbie in there. You know, the windows. And then on the back, it kindly shows you what's in it. So you get a whole couple of outfits and lots of accessories. Got 3 pairs of shoes. It's just amazing. So, let's get into this as it's December 1st. And don't forget. Plastic envelope. I won't open it today. Till next time, guys. Okay, bye.